Good day to you everyone. Welcome back to the training. And in this video, I'll be teaching you how to make half double crochet. And here is my chain. I believe we all know how to make a chain. I've taught you guys. And half double crochets and double crochets, they are similar but they are not the same. So right there, let's get started. Can you see this hole right here? Our second chain. You're going to start from the second chain. You will skip the first chain. So to start, insert your hook inside the second chain, yarn over, insert your hook inside the second chain, then pull out a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our crochets. We have 3 loops. Then you yarn over again and you pull through the 3 at once. That's half double crochet. Then again you yarn over, insert your hook inside the chain, then you pull out a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet pin, then yarn over and pull out the 3 loops at once. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, then pull out a loop, yarn over again. Can you see we have 3 loops on our crochet pin? Yarn over and pull through the 3 loops at once. That's half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook inside the next chain, then you yarn over again. We have 3 loops on our crochet pin, then you yarn over and you pull through the 3 loops at once. That's the half double crochet. And that's all about half double crochet. Can you see that it's very simple? Just like double crochet is very simple. So simple and easy to understand. Just yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, insert it into the next chain, then yarn over and pull out a loop, then yarn over and pull through the 3 loops at once. That's it. Can you see what we have? Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, then yarn over and pull out a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our crochet pin. Yarn over and pull through the 3 loops at once. Can you guys see how simple it is? Once you master your stitch, to create a big project or to crochet a big project will be very easy for you. So that's why I'm teaching you all these stitches before we start our big projects. And this particular half double crochet, you will be needing it when we are crocheting our ruffle cap. So that's why it's very necessary. And here is what we have. So to continue, turn your work like this and let's continue. Then yarn over, chain 1 first. You have to chain 1, then yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain this time around, then yarn over. Now we have 3 loops on our crochet pin, then you yarn over and pull through the 3 loops at once. Then to the next chain, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, and you yarn over again. When you yarn over, you pull out a loop and you yarn over, put through the 3 loops at once. So now yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain like this, then yarn over, pull out a loop, yarn over and pull through the 3 loops at once. Yarn over again and insert your hook into the next chain, pull out a loop, yarn over and pull out a loop, then you yarn over and pull through the 3 loops at once. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain and pull out a loop, yarn over again and pull through the 3 at once. So that's all about half double crochet. That's all. It's very simple. It's very simple. I love this stitch the most. It's simple, it's fast, and is very neat. Now I've gotten to the end of this chain here. This is the last chain, and can you see what we have? Let me show you guys. This is what we have. This is how half double crochets look like. So guys, this is the end of this video. See you in the next class. Bye.